So I have been waiting to do this transfer for you for some time now. I've actually been waiting on my Maggie chalkboard that I purchased from Chalk Couture. It's one of our 24 by 36 chalkboards. But I've actually decided to hold off on using that tonight because I'm saving that for another project for you. So this is our family circle transfer, and this is one of our extra large transfers. And I'm just going to be doing this tonight for you on a 15 by 31 turquoise frame chalkboard. But the hardest part of this transfer is actually right here. At Chalk Couture, we have a specially designed chalk paste. It's our Chalkology chalk paste that is a water-soluble, semi-permanent chalk paste. But we have 38 different colors. So that's kind of the hardest part when you're doing your designs, is trying to figure out what you want to use. But I just wanted to kind of go with something to match my frame. So I'm using like an aquamarine, a canary yellow, a white, and a red. Now, I went ahead and I am cutting my transfer apart just because it makes it a lot easier to work with. Plus, with the board that I have, it was a little bit longer than I wanted, so I kind of just wanted to separate it just a little bit to take up a little bit more of the space. Plus, I'm adding a little bit of those little hearts right there to the center of my project. Now, for those of you who don't know, Chalk Couture is a brand, it's a ground floor company that was just founded in July of 2017. We're actually a home party plan company, but it's kind of a totally cool different concept because what we do is we offer make and takes in your home. So if you've ever been to one of those paint parties, this is actually very, very much the same, except we're coming into your home to do it. So you'll create designs in your within your own home with your family and friends, and it turns out to be a great girls' night. We have a line of screen print transfers, our specially formulated Chalkology chalk paste, and then our chalkboards. But I will tell you very soon, we're going to be adding a lot of new products to our product line in the next couple weeks, so definitely stay tuned for that. So if you're interested in learning more about the business opportunity, whether you want to do it as a hobby for the discount or whether you want to turn it into a business with all the great things coming, I would love to share more about Chalk Couture with you. Or if you're local and you'd love to host a workshop to get an idea of what's this about, please get in touch with me because we are having a great time spreading the word about Chalk Couture in our fun girls' night sipping chalks. www.letsgetchalkinwithjen.com is my blog, and I hope you love the end result of our family circle. Have a good evening.